to the Muslim communities in Dadaab and the refugee camps.
Alhamdulillah.
We are really grateful. The number of camels that have been slaughtered yesterday and today has never happened in record. At one time, from one organization, for Eid, it has never happened. We want to say thank you. We also thank you and the government of Pakistan and the people of Pakistan for also the gift of money to the poor people. We estimate 1,200 people got the money that you gave with your own self. Those are truly the deserving people who needed that money. We thank you so much, and we pray to Allah to increase for you. So welcome, brother. You can say a word.
So kind of.
You listen to by the Somali nation, wherever they are, not only Kenya, Somalia, diaspora, and everywhere. Go ahead.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمد ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. I came from Pakistan. My name is, as His Excellency, my brother